Hey folks, guess you heard. This morning I tested positive for COVID.
U.S. President Joe Biden tested positive on Thursday for COVID-19. In a short video on Twitter sharing the news, Biden said he was so far feeling fine.
But I've been double vaccinated, double boosted. Symptoms are mild, and I really appreciate your inquiries and your concerns.
The president's physician, Dr. Kevin O'Connor, said Biden's symptoms so far included a runny nose, fatigue, and an occasional dry cough. O'Connor said Biden has begun taking the antiviral treatment Paxlovid.
He sounded great. I asked him, Mr. President, how are you feeling? He said, I'm feeling fine.
Dr. Ashish Jha, who leads the White House's COVID-19 response team, told reporters at a briefing he'd spoken with Biden and Dr. O'Connor. He said the president's oxygen levels were normal, that he was working, and would isolate for 5 days and return to public events once he had a negative COVID test. Dr. Jha said it was not yet clear which variant had infected the president, but that results of the sequencing should be known within days. The U.S. Centers for Disease Control and Prevention said that the BA.5 Omicron subvariant is currently driving a surge in cases. CDC data show U.S. infections are up 25% in the last month. Biden has received 2 booster shots of a COVID-19 vaccine, the most recent one in March. But the BA.5 subvariant has proven capable of evading the immune protection from either vaccination or prior infection. Dr. Jha said there was no reason to expect Biden's case might worsen.
He is breathing well, his oxygen level is normal, and he's, I was going to say resting comfortably. He's actually not resting comfortably. He's working comfortably in his residence.
Biden set up strict COVID-19 safety protocols at the White House, urged Americans to take the virus seriously, and campaigned for everyone to get fully vaccinated.
Get your shots, get your boosters.
The White House has said Biden is tested regularly for the disease, and anyone who meets with him or travels with him is tested beforehand. Biden had last tested negative on Tuesday. He joins a roster of world leaders infected by the illness. Former President Donald Trump, before he was vaccinated, was hospitalized in October 2020 and underwent aggressive treatment at Walter Reed National Military Medical Center after his low oxygen levels alarmed his doctors. More than 1 million people have died from COVID in the United States.